Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into the world of AI with a full review of Microsoft Copilot, the AI assistant powered by the absolute latest tech from OpenAI. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to boost your productivity, you need to know if this is the AI tool that can replace all the others. Let's get started. Microsoft Copilot is an advanced conversational AI assistant built on OpenAI's GPT-4 for text and DALL-E 3 for images. The key advantage is that Copilot provides free access to GPT-4, which is significantly more powerful, accurate, and creative than many free tiers. Crucially, it is seamlessly integrated with the Bing search engine, which means it has real-time access to the internet. This ensures its answers are up to date, unlike models that rely on older, static data. Let's look at the top 3 must-see features. Crucial section. Use screen recordings of the app for each of these points. First is the power of GPT-4, complex tasks made easy. You can ask Copilot to perform a task that involves multiple steps. For example, create an outline for a YouTube video review on the top 5 productivity apps, and then write a 50-word introduction script for that outline. It can handle long reports, professional emails, and complex summaries. Second is DALL-E 3, image generation at your fingertips. You can create high-quality, ultra-realistic, or artistic images with simple text prompts. Demo idea. Enter a unique, creative prompt like a cinematic photo of a robot reading a book on a neon-lit street in Colombo and show the results. The image quality is excellent, and DALL-E 3 handles complex ideas better than previous versions. Third is Copilot Vision, image input. You can upload an image, like a math problem or a graph, and ask questions about it. Demo idea. Optional upload a photo of a simple graph and ask, what is the main trend shown in this data? This multimodal feature lets you interact with visual data as well as text. Now, for the honest review, let's look at the pros and cons. Here are the pros. The biggest pro is free access to GPT-4 and DALL-E 3. This is a massive competitive advantage. It also offers excellent accuracy due to its real-time web search, Bing integration, which provides citations and links. It is also cross-platform, available on iOS, Android, and web, and has a very clean interface with voice input. Here are the cons. First, the free tier sometimes has slower response times than paid alternatives, like ChatGPT+. Second, like all generative AI, it can sometimes experience hallucinations, generating incorrect or made-up information. So always double-check critical facts. Finally, while Copilot Pro has deep Microsoft 365 integration, the free mobile app is limited to general chat tasks. So, should you download Microsoft Copilot? Absolutely. As a free tool, it is currently arguably the best AI assistant you can get.